Good morning. My name is Jedran de la Cruz from this IT3A, and today I will showcase you my chatbot. So, so in this chatbot, I have several features that I have applied, and that includes dictionary, time. Uh, Wait, let's just finish this. So, um, this is my uh, chatbot. It uh, I will run this later on after I explain the code. So this is the code of my chatbot. Okay, so wait a minute. So when I send a message here, and then I'm gonna send it like this. This is I think this is a flowchart, layout. So this is where the output of my message and the bot's message. So it the messages are all gonna be here. And so what kind of chatbot I am using is just cell phone store support, um, which is just online customer service, such as things like that. So let's get started. So this is my code. So let's start with here. So as you can see, I have done dictionary. This is dictionary as well. So I have synonyms such as hello, cell phone, iPhone, Galaxy, price, help, and goodbye. So this hi, hey, musta, and tabang. So this is Cebuano language. So basically, uh, it has few translations. So which tabang phrases as hello. So when you type in the here is tabangi ko unsang pagpalit. You're gonna send it tabangi ko unsang pagpalit. So let's just assume that you are speaking Bisaya and you included tabang in the sentence, the word tabang. So he reads it as hello. So that's what it means as dictionary, right? Or it means as dictionary. So basically tabang is a synonym of hello, or basically just the same. It's just that um the other language. So it's just basic. So all this are just the same. So papalita, let's just say I'm gonna message here in the bot, papalita ko og cellphone. So he reads the bot reads it as cell phone. So as cell phone. So and when he reads it as cell phone, he's gonna read the AI is gonna read where is it? Uh where is it? Cell phone. Cell phone, okay, so let's um cell phone, alright. That's basically it. He's gonna he's gonna proceed to here. So else if contains cell phone, which means it contains cell phone, the message that you have inputted you have sent to the AI or the conversation includes cell phone or the cell phone, right? Now it is being transferred here. So the output of the AI should send we currently sell two phone brands, which are iPhone and Samsung. So that's basically the same as iPhone, Apple phone, iOS phone, Galaxy, iGalaxy. Alright, let's just say that Galaxy. Let's just change this to Galaxy phone. Make it. uh, more realistic to uh, input. So how much cost, and then help tabang is just the same. Oh, actually, this one I have slight error. So if I put this tabang first, it will only read this. If I type tabang, it will not read this because the code reads it from uh what is top to bottom. So let's just erase this. Alright, alright, I think that's pretty good. Um, so it's basically just the same as here. Alright, apple. So apple. If you type in apple, this can only read this one. Alright. Basically, these are all. I can just uh, combine them all, but I just want to do what you call this, separate them, such as phone models, and here are synonyms. Phone models to make it easier for to visualize, especially when I'm explaining the code. Here also in the phone specs. So when I type when I type specs and it reads specs, it will specs of a specific phone, then it will read that. All right. So so here are some private. All right. This is a boolean, true or false. First instruction, basically, when I in my code there is a greetings. All right, in a greetings in which uh, and every time I open the code, all right. So basically, first interaction means first conversation. So of course there should be a greeting. So I tried it at true, and then username as string user. Of course, it's a default, but is this username will soon be changed when uh, the user the the bot, right, the bot or the AI will ask for the user, or yeah, the user's name. So like when I click supposedly when I open here, it will ask um it will say like good morning, what is like hello, what is your name, and then you enter your name. Like I'll just input uh, J here, and then it would say good evening, J. So that's basically what is that means. Oops. So let's just proceed it to uh the form. So basically this is the form one. All right. Yeah, it is. So then greeting hello and J. So that's the first. That should be the first uh conversation or the first message that would output here. Oh my goodness. Here. All right. So and then hello, I'm Jay's assistant, and add message boot greeting. So this is a greeting. All right. Basically get time based greeting. Okay, so where is that from? Let's check it out. Get time based greeting. Where is it? Alright, here it is. Time based greeting. So basically what this does is that it just checks the time of your laptop, or basically what the time is today. So it would check if the current hour is less than 12, then good morning. If current hour less than 18, good afternoon. The rest, if it's not, everything else, it's good evening. So basically that's what it means. So yeah, hello, I'm Jay's assistant. Add message. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yeah, and then may I know your name? Or may I know your name? And then it's gonna be input. You're gonna be it's gonna be waiting for your answer to check may or not your name. All right, you have to input your name, and then So basically this is the default, right? That's your default name user. So if you type something like your name, like J, I'm gonna type J. So your username should be J. I think that's what that means. Um, yep, yeah. All right, so let's proceed. So these are just some CSS to style J's AI assistant. So this one, hmm, wait, where am I? Label one. This is the label one, right? This is the label one because I haven't added any label. So this is just designing this one, alright? This I'm just designing that. So the height, and then this one also. And this two also. Alright, so this is one, the designing of the send button. This is the send button, alright. This is gonna be designed, it has some design. Also this one, the input, text input, which is this one. So those are just some basic designs. And then let's just proceed to some functions, alright? Some sub functions. So send click. So basically it's just gonna what this does is that you're gonna send. If you put the send, or if you click the send, it's gonna it's gonna automatically say you, because that's what you send. You sent it, right? You have to type something and then you send. Then you and your message user input, alright? So this is what your text, alright? User input. The value of the user input is what you have inputted on the text box. So next is that conversation history, add user input. So conversation history, where is this? Okay, what's this? Conversation history. Did I add it? I, where is it? Conversation history? Here it is. Conversation history as new list of strings. So basically, um, I think that's array. So what? Okay, so let's continue. So uh, add user input. So basically, the user input it's gonna be added to the conversation history array. All right. So team response is string, generate response as user input. So this is the generate response, all right, and then input a string. This is the parameter inputted is the user input. So generate response is this is about the code, the first interaction, then of course true, then if only if it's true, right? If it's true, I submit you. Okay, so if you type your name like J, then that is first interaction, right? Because the AI only asks your name once. So this one is only true, nice to meet you. Let's say J, how can I assist you today? And then it's gonna end up for each array in synonyms K. So this one is another, alright? It's another because you have NF here. It's gonna be changed another one here. So for each case, so basically what this means is that it's gonna read all of the synonyms that you have entered um here, alright? You have gonna entered here, and then it matches the word tabang. It's gonna check hi, hey, musta, tabang, and then here in tabang it checks because you let's suppose that you have entered tabang, right? So um it should read as hello, so which means true. Then input display synonyms key to 0 and key. So what that means is that it's gonna read as hello. Yes, hello, right? So how are you? Okay, so what this means are everything it just contains. It's just so I'm using an if else to make it not uh, so much confusing for me. So I'm only using the if else statement. So if input contains how are you, then I'm just a bot, and then so this it would reply the bot would here. How about you, Jay? And then if input contains what's your name or who are you? Okay, so input what it's that's your input. Okay, so if you're gonna send who are you, and then this the bot will reply this one. All right, so it's basically this the same here. All right, everything is just the same until here. Yeah, if it input contains until here. So get request model as string. So for each model in phone specs keys, so this one is also gonna read, alright? Phone specs, um, here, phone specs, alright? So it's gonna read everything that matches the, what do you say this, the